Hi, recently I purchased a lot of these lab equipments. Now why would I do that? Let's talk about it. Hi, recently I purchased a lot of lab equipments for my videos, and actually it's not just for the video, it's actually for my kids. My daughter is going to first year university and my son is in grade 9, and so the problem with what's happening now in education is that it's all virtual learning, and that is a problem. You see, I want them to learn science in a proper way. They actually have hands-on experience. So that's why I purchased, hundreds of dollars of equipment so that they can learn the techniques and learn quantitative chemistry or quantitative science. It's very important that they know science and being able to do hands-on stuff. And so here you can see all the equipment that I have. I spent a lot of money, but I think it's worth it. Especially, for example, first year university, it's kind of sad that it's virtual because you can't learn chemistry virtually, okay? You need to actually do these type of experiment, for example, titration, where we put the known base in this burette and we're able to titrate the unknown acid. And I have the pH meter that I purchased, as you can see here. And I also purchased, along with it, it comes with the TDS, which is total dissolved solvent that I can measure. It's basically measuring the conductivity of the liquid, and indirectly we'll be able to measure the ions, right? I also have the thermometer that I purchased, a couple of them, and a lot of test tubes. You can see here, I purchased test tubes and funnels, right? And I have the flask, the Erlenmeyer flask with the rubber stopper that I bought, and I have a pipette, the measure pipette, and so I can measure the amount of liquids, right? I have various equipment like the flask here, and I have a lot of filtration equipment as well as distillation equipment, so very good. Even the clamps and the stand. Along with that, I have the microscope, very professional microscope that we can use. I can hook up the camera to that. So these equipment are very important when you're studying science, and I think it's very important that students have the ability to learn hands-on stuff, and instead of just learning virtually, it doesn't help them. So they have to have ability to measure things. So I hope you can join me as I show these experiments as I do with my kids, and I will show that on the video as well, and we can enjoy this video together. So that's another pursuit I want to do as a hobby, that we can actually do science together. All right, thanks for watching. EducateTube.com.